morning student. I am your SST teacher from Vidya Balgopal Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to take your chapter number 4, that is our Constitution. And as you all of you are aware that we have already explained this chapter in previous class. Now today we are going to do short question answer. Okay? So before starting this question answer, let's recap the chapter first. What is our Constitution? Constitution is a set of rules, by which the country is being run. As you know that in the school you have the almanac, that is also called rule book, to run the school properly. And the same likewise our Constitution is also a rule book to run the country. Okay? Now let's start the question answer. Short question answer first. The question is, what is Constitution? See, the same answer is here. In simple language we can say the Constitution is a set of rules according to which country is governed. Okay? By whom? By the government. Okay? So the Constitution, let me repeat once again. The Constitution is a set of rules according to which country is governed by government. Right? So like nowadays, who is our government? Mr. Narendra Modi. So the country is being governed by him. Now, what is preamble? What is preamble? Preamble is the introduction of our Constitution. It tells us about the main ideas and aims of Constitution. Understood? So now let me explain with the example also. Like whenever you are reading some book or whenever you are seeing some book, there is on first page you will find a page which is about the book. That is called the introduction. What is all there in the book? So preamble tells us how is our country and what is there in the Constitution. Constitution tells us how is the country and the preamble tells us the introduction. Introduce the Constitution. Okay. Now next question. Next question is list our fundamental rights. List our fundamental rights. I explained to you that this in the class also. So what are rights? In the school there are different rights, at home there are different rights. Now here in this Constitution or in the country, here we have some rights. Let's do this. Right to equality. What is right to equality? Right to equality means socially and economically. So we should not discriminate on the basis of social or economical. Right? So we have the right to be treated like equally. Okay? Whether someone is poor or someone is rich. Okay. Now the second right is right against exploitation. Right against exploitation. What is exploitation? You all have seen, you must have seen in some tea stall, in some dhaba, that children who is under 14 years, they are working. Okay? Or someone is exploiting for the like, I am taking the work from one person labor for the whole day and I am giving him a nominal amount. So that is called the exploitation. And exploitation, they have right to raise their voice. Okay? So they have right to raise their voice against the exploitation. Now next is right to freedom. Everybody, we are free. Okay? We are free to grow and to give our speech, to speak our mind. Okay? But you should have in the mind, even if you are talking something of your mind, you should not hurt someone's sentiment. Right? So if you are feeling like if I will speak something and the next person will get hurt, so you should not talk like that. Understood? Okay. So now next right is cultural right. All are free. As you know, India is diverse country. Diversity is there. So we all have the cultural right. We are free to follow any culture here. Now next is right to freedom of religion. So what is right to freedom of religion? If we are Hindu, we are not supposed to force someone to follow Hinduism. If I am following Islam, I'm not supposed to force someone to follow Islam. Likewise, there are many religion here. So India is a secular country, and we are not supposed to force someone to follow particular religion. Okay? So now the next question, when is Republic Day celebrated? It is on 26th January. And when is Republic, like why we are celebrating this Republic Day on 26th? Because our constitution came into force on 26th January 1950. And do you know, it took almost 3 years to make the constitution. Right? So now let's conclude the chapter. Our constitution, and we have done till now constitution, what is constitution, what is preamble, our fundamental right, and about the Republic Day. Okay? So have a good day. Thank you, class.